So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is the officially website. Then this is search button. So click and then enter your model number of required driver B860MK and then hit enter. Click on product. Find out this B860M. Then click this is your motherboard and click on support. So select your operating system Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you are working like Windows 10. So installations process same. So you can install it same to same. Okay. So LAN driver and click on the download button. Let's start downloading, but wait few seconds to complete. So guys, this is installed 10.2. Just open LAN driver and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So guys, this is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close it.